Taking a look here at natural gas on the daily time frame and then dropping my way down to around the 4 hour and the hourly. We could see here that the 2.75 area definitely held up as resistance, and as you can see here, it was lower highs consecutively as we went, and we did manage to stay outside of this aggressive downtrend line here. We bounced off this area actually, so I'll go ahead and drop down to the 4 hour now to show you a little bit more about what's been happening here. We were fighting with that 2.75 area. We also had that 50 period moving average coming in here, which also made it more difficult for the price to breach that area. And as such, we broke aggressively down today, and that was approximately that 786 mark from the lows to the recent highs. Now we are looking for a bounce to come back up to at minimum 2.7 or so, potentially even reaching as high as 2.723 before we start to see price action start to dwindle a little bit, and then potentially make another run higher to that 2.8 level, maybe even that 2.85 level down the line. But right now, just looking at what happens when we get to this 2.7 level and how the price starts reacting, I had a feeling that we were going to see this move down here, which was, kind of anticipated, but I didn't know exactly when it would happen. And to see 2.75 get rejected like that, that was pretty aggressive. We did come back down and touch this trend line, which is great. We managed to bounce off of it. Now I'm looking for a follow through to at minimum 2.7 to 2.725, and then we'll see if we can finally get out of this sideways to downwards biased action as of late. So I think that we're starting to see things kind of perk up a little bit for natural gas, but I think that we're going to need a little bit of oil's bullishness to kind of help natural gas to get its way back up higher. But I'm not going to hold my breath. Right now, I'm going to be sitting on the sidelines just observing this price action. As you can see, even looking at the lower time frames, there is an opportunity to see, a move up to 2.7, as I said, and potentially even as high as 2.72. So that's what I'm looking at near term. Down the line, maybe we'll see a stronger move up higher heading into the holiday weekend, or holiday week, I should say, coming up. We have Christmas and whatnot. Things may get a little bit more interesting here for natural gas as we head into the season. Usually we get a nice rally out of it. This year it's been a little bit sedated so far. Let's see if we can get back at least to 2.75, and from there, maybe if we break that level, we'll get back up to those 2.85s or so.